Hello everyone, myself Murshid here on video tutorial of Serpentine mode or accordion mode in Pulsonix. The ingenuity of Pulsonix length tuning feature is that it intelligently combines advanced software algorithms with initiative user control. Consider a PCB layout. The segments to be tuned are simply wiped along the root path, and this can be done by a simple right click on the root path and select Serpentine selected segments. Enable the user on rule. Provide the minimum and maximum amplitude, also the separation and minimum number of cycles. If required, give the additional length. Click on OK. Or else, select the Add Dynamic Serpentine on right click on the mouse button. This mode allows you to freely extend Serpentine based upon your choice. Additional options like Serpentine both sides, push tracks, and increase or decrease gap options are also available on the right click on the mouse button. In addition to this, keyboard shortcut give control over the increment or decrement of the track gap. Left click to finish the Serpentine. Go to Setup menu and select Technology. You could even alter the shape of the Serpentine . Also set the amplitude and separation. And that's all for the topic now. Stay tuned for more videos on Pulsonix. Thanks for watching.